Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about reorder list from LeetCode. They are given a singly linked list with head as parameter. What we have to return means we have to reorder the list in such a way that first we should get the first element, then last, then again L1 and Ln minus 1, like that. Means see here in example. We have to return, they are given as 1 2 3 4 5, then we have to return 1 5 2 4 and 3. For this uh, we can have a data structure dq. We will store as list node references. Then take one temporary list node, then store all elements of this nodes in this dq. Then we have to jump to next node. In this manner all the list nodes will be stored in this dq. Means in this example, suppose we have 1 2 3 4 5. After this loop the dq will have elements as 1 2 3 4 and 5. Then the main idea of the main use of this dq operation is we can get this same we will have two operations such that we can get first element as well as the last element. If we use q, we will get only first element. If we use stack, we will get only the above element as last element. So this dq is nothing but it is a combined data structure of both q and stack. Then I will just we have already declared this above. Simply will take we have to it is means we have to return head only. Then simply I will traverse the loop. Here we will have two cases. If I is odd, if I is even, then we have to attach the first element of the dq. In this we will have two cases. First one is if temp means if it is starting of the temporary node, then simply we have to put temp is equal to this poll first method. Means it will pop the first element of the dq. Means it will attach simply 1 to your answer. If temp is not equal to null, then we have to attach the element for temp. Then we have to jump to next node. same, if it is an if I is an odd, then we have to attach the last node of this DQ. Then we have to jump the next node. Okay, and at end of for loop we have just mark it as null, otherwise it will simply return into infinite loop. Basically what happens in this loop, for if we have 1 2 3 4 5 is in our array, at first iteration, if temp is null at first iteration, simply it will add 1 to temporary this temp. Then for after coming to second loop for I equal to 1, it will simply add 5 to this next element. Then afterwards it will add 2 to its next element. Then after that for I equal to 3 for odd, it will add last element. 5 is returned already, now it will add 4 to it. After that 3. Simply it will continue. After this we have to terminate it. That's why we are writing temp dot next equal to null for every iteration. Let's check. Okay. Yeah. Let's submit. Yeah. That's all. I will paste the code in the description. Thanks for watching.